Continuing with our date function, we'll be calculating the age of the cricket players, right? So here I have taken the cricket players from the database, and you have the players over here. Sourav Ganguly, whose birthday comes on 8/7/1972. Then Sachin Tendulkar, which birthday comes on 24/4/1973. Then Mahendra Singh Dhoni, 7/7/1981. Harbhajan Singh, Suresh Raina, Irfan Pathan, Cameron White, Ricky Ponting, James Franklin, and Ram Naresh Sarwan. So I've taken the sample of 10 cricket players, and we'll be determining the age of this cricket player. So normally this can be also utilized, you can also use it for asking your colleagues to ask his age. Normally they will not tell you the age. You can pick the birth date of them and you can calculate their age without knowing them, right? So this can also be done. So today, first thing, that what is today's date? Directly, instead of typing today's date, you can use today function. So I put today's function equal to today, then tab key and press enter. This is today's date. From this you can find the age of Sourav Ganguly, right? So one function is that function is called Yearfrac, equal to Yearfrac. So it returns the year fraction representing the number of whole days between start date and end date. So press the tab key, then you have the start date is the birthday of Sourav Ganguly, then comma, then the end date, you have the end date, that is today's date. Then it will be asking for the basis. So basis here, it says the basis, nothing, 30 days per month. Okay, it is 30/360. Basis is 0, 30/360. 1 is actual by actual, 2 is actual by 360, and 3 is actual by 365, and 4 is European, that is 30/360. So it means what? 30 days per month and 360 days per year, right? In same ways, actual by 360, actual days in a month and 360 days in each year. If you go choose the option for the 3, it says actual by 365, right? Actual means actual days in a month and 365 days in each year. So normally we follow 365 days, so I put the value 3, right? I put the value 3 and close the bracket and press enter. You find the age of Sourav Ganguly comes to 50. So similar way you can calculate the age of Sachin Tendulkar. So I just you can copy the cell D5 and come to cell D6, then press shift down arrow key, then control V, right? So after that you can calculate the age of Sachin Tendulkar. Once again I use the function called Yearfrac, equal to Yearfrac. You select Yearfrac, press the tab key, start date is 24/4/1973, then end date is today's date, then basis I'm calculating is for 365. So I'll be typing 3 is the value, close the bracket and end. So once again I use the function equal to Yearfrac, right? 7/7/1981 is the start date and end date is 23/4/2022, and the basis. Normally this basis can also be seen in your financial instrument called bonds, where we have to do the day count conventions. The bond valuation has to be done. In that case you have the day count conventions for bond. It could be the day count convention of bond could be actual by actual, actual by 360, actual by 365, or 30/360. So this function can be also used for the calculation of the financial instrument called bonds, right? So here we will be applying 365 days. So I put 3 and close the bracket, and you find that the Mahendra Singh Dhoni's age is 41. So you can make a copy, right? Then come to cell E8, shift down arrow key, then press Ctrl V. So you find that the age of the cricket players is known, right? So Sourav Ganguly 50, Sachin Tendulkar 49, Mahendra Singh Dhoni 41, Harbhajan Singh 42, Suresh Raina 35, Irfan Pathan 38, Cameron White 39, Ricky Ponting 47, 41 and 41. So this function will be most useful for calculating the age of your employees also, or the retirement age of an employee. That can be also applied, right?